coming from. We are one of the largest jeans manufacturing company in the world.
From here, in Bangladesh, every jean you wear comes from here, Bangladesh.
We do roughly about 50 million pieces of jeans every year.
This place is unusual, guys. Bangladesh is incredible. Country in the world after China.
And right side you can see all the factories, and all the top factories are here. So clothing made in Bangladesh, most of them from are here.
Look, all Zara clothes you see, H&M, Nike, Adidas, come from here.
Chittagong is the main port city and one of the most ancient hub for the shipping. This is the largest EP